Hello! In this video, we will demonstrate how to use the Set Pipe Elements Reference Level command to correctly assign structural levels as reference levels for pipe elements. We will cover two different approaches, one using ToFilter and another setting the structural level directly. In Revit, we often work with two types of levels: building story levels, which represent floor heights for architectural purposes, and structural levels, which engineers use to define load-bearing elements like beams and slabs. In this project, our pipe elements are currently assigned to building story levels. However, we need to reference them to structural levels to align with engineering requirements. For the first approach, we will set the reference level to the structural level without applying any specific filter. We start by selecting the pipe elements and simply adding the structural level criteria. Then we click Execute to apply the changes. Now, when we check the properties, we can see that the pipe elements have been successfully assigned to the structural level. This ensures correct coordination with structural elements in the model. For the second approach, we will use ToFilter. In this case, we want to reference all pipes to levels that contain TOS, top of slab, in their name. We already have structural level option, and we add level name contains value filter. Now enter TOS in the level name contains field, then execute the command. Because the level name criteria should contain TOS and the level identity data must be structural, the command applies all the criteria and sets the reference level accordingly. Note that this command always selects the level that meets the specified criteria and is below the pipe, rather than the closest level that meets the criteria. Thank you for watching, and happy designing with BIMLOGIQ.